Hey guys, and welcome to Coding for Kids. In this video, I am going to be teaching you guys different HTML tags. And I did do a video previously before this, so go check out that video before you check out this one. But if you already did, then let's get started. So first, let's look at the overview of this video. So in part one, we learned about headings, paragraphs, and links in HTML and how to apply code for that. And we also tried it out in code.org. And in part two, we're going to be looking at images in HTML, the span element in HTML, and the font element in HTML. We're going to also be trying this in code.org using the website we created in the last video. So you'll get what I mean when we actually do it. So first, let's look at images in HTML. So to apply an image, what you're gonna do is you put an angular bracket, then you put img, and then you put a space, and then you type in src, which is just source, equal to, and then your image address. It could be, any image address, and I'll show you guys how to get an image address. Just give me a few seconds. So guys, I have found an image that I really like. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'll just go here and I'll, right click, and this will bring up a menu, and then it'll say copy image address. And once you click on that, your image address will be copied, and then all you need to do after that is just paste it in the quotes, and it's easy after that. So after the source, you go and you put a space and you put alt. So alt means alternative, alternative, and equals to in whatever text you want to display. And what this does is, for example, if your image isn't loading for some reason, it'll just display this alternative text, and that text is whatever is in this quote. For example, test image or coding image or the picture of me or something like that. Anything it's an alternative text. So if your image isn't loading, it'll say whatever is in these quotes. And then you put a space and you're going to put in the width. This could be anything. I just have an example, so it's 150 and then the height is 100. So you would put a space and then height equal to 100, 100, 200, 300, 350, whatever. You can put whatever height and width you want. It's your choice. The image tag is empty, so it doesn't have anything after it, and it does not have a closing tag. So you don't put angular bracket / img angular bracket. You don't put that. It's just this. So image is a little weird. The image code is a little weird, but this is how you do it. So now the span element in HTML. So you just go here, you can see the span element adds color to other elements. So you can see an example here I have is angular bracket, span, and then you're gonna add space. Then you're gonna type in style, because the span element adds style because it adds color, and equal mark or equal sign. Then you're gonna put color because you're changing the color. You can also change other stuff, which I will show you when we're coding. So you can change other stuff other than color, but this is just an example. And then colon and whatever color you want. For example, I put pink, and then you close that. So this is like an attribute. Then inside of the opening and closing bracket, you put whatever text you want to color. For example, pink, I typed in pink. So this pink text is gonna turn the color pink because I added the span element. And then you're just gonna close it with /span angular brackets. So this is the span element in HTML. Now the font element. So there are 3 types of font elements. There's the italics tag, which makes text look slanted. The bold and strong tag make text strong and bolded. So both of them do look the same, as you can see right here. The only difference is that the bold tag makes text bold and strong, and the strong tag like makes text important and indicates that it's meaningful. So they're basically the same thing, but people recommend to use the strong tag because it has like a deeper meaning. So the bold tag, what you do is you just put a B, so angular brackets B. Then you put your text in the middle, whatever you want to be bolded, and then you put angular bracket / B, and then another angular bracket. For strong, you just put strong, so you just literally type in strong. So you'll put angular bracket and then strong, and then you type in whatever you want to be strong, text, like whatever needs to be strong, and then for your closing you just put angular bracket / strong angular bracket. For italics, you put I, so it'll look slanted, so angular bracket I angular bracket, then you type in whatever you want to be like italicized. I do want to say this word, but italicized, I can't really say that. So whatever you want to be slanted. So you can just type in, and then for closing it, you just type in angular bracket / I angular bracket. So this is the font element. So now let's try the code. So we're just gonna go, oops, okay. So we're gonna go to code.org. I already had the website we created before in the last video, so I'm not really gonna go and log in, but you can, and I'll show you. I already showed you guys, I think in the last video when we were talking about the HTML structure. So I already have a lot of code and like the structure and everything typed out. So now, first let's try the image, or no, first let's try the font elements, and let's also try the span element. So first I'm gonna type in a small paragraph. So I'm gonna type in, let's see, my favorite color is purple. I love to code, read books, and play the piano, and play the piano. Okay. Or instead of read books, I'll play volleyball. Love to code, play volleyball, and play the piano. So, okay. So now I'm just gonna close this paragraph and hit slash. Okay. So now you can see I have a little line of text. Now I'm gonna add the span element here when it says purple, because I want the text to be purple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put span, then what was it? Span. Then I'll put style. Then I'll put equal mark. Then I'll put color. Then I'll put colon. Then I'll put purple. And then I'll close this. And then we can have here just span. And then if we see here, our text will be purple. So this is now purple. You can see, so the color, that when it says purple, the text is purple. So that's how we use the span element. Now I want to also bold code volleyball and piano, because I want to change them. So first we're gonna put B for bold. So I'm just gonna type B. Okay, you can see here code is bolded. So volleyball, I'm also gonna put strong, and same here. Okay, and you can see volleyball is bolded or strong. This text is strong. And then for piano, I'm gonna italicize it. So I'm just gonna put I. Lowercase. And now the piano is like kind of like italicized. So now I'm just gonna put that exclamation mark back. So this is how you use the span element and also the font elements. Now we're gonna add an image. So I'm just gonna go right under that and I'm gonna put img, then source, and then equal to quotation mark. And if you remember the like image address we like got from Google that we copied, I'm just gonna paste that here, and you can see if we click on the link or the image address that it is that image that we found. So that's a nice helpful thing. So now we can just close this image and then can see our image. Now I do want to change some stuff. So first, of course, we need to add alt, and I'll put like coding image. I feel like that's a good thing. Image. And also, I forgot to add the quotation marks, so that's my bad. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete that. Okay. So alt, then we have our width, which I think I'm gonna do, I'll do 300, and then our height as, I think I'll do 300. I think I want, oh, okay, I know. I'll put this as 500. Okay, oh no, actually no. We'll just have 300. That's good. I'll have 500 and 500 just to grab a bigger image. So this is our web page. Now I am gonna add the span element as a background. So how do you do this? So first you're gonna go to the body. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put a space and you're gonna put style. So you're not gonna put a span, like you're not gonna put span element. You're gonna just put style. Then you're gonna put equal to. Then instead of color, you're gonna put background color because we're changing the background color. Then we're just gonna put like a little dash, okay, like this. And then we're gonna put colon and then whatever color. So I think like, let's see, maybe not purple. We'll say pink. So now you can see our background is pink. So that's how you change it. So you don't really add span element when changing the background color. So you can also add your span element in that way too. So now this is our website or web page. So you can see here, heading, then we have a little paragraph, then we have a link. Then we have one more paragraph, but we have some like, bolded words, some like colored words. Now we have an image. So this is our web page and I'm very proud of it. And I think it looks pretty cool. I really like the, like all of the details we added, I guess. So really fun and really beautiful web page. So now let's go back to our slideshow. So now let's just review what we did. So in part 1, we learned about headings, paragraphs, and links in HTML and how to code for those. And in part 2, we learned about images, the span element, and the font elements in HTML, and we also coded for that. And we made a web page together with all of those elements. And these aren't even all of the like elements and tags in HTML. There's so much more, but these are like the main ones that really come in handy and are really common. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.